And then you've got, I mean, we've got a load of music going on.
Do you play football down here much then?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, I wasn't going to, but my kids got me. Get a bit chilly, Jess. This was the Martha Care charity ride for young children suffering with cancer.
And Martha Care was set up in 2007 as a registered charity after my daughter Martha passed away from a brain tumour.
It was great. It looked absolutely fantastic. Going out the A361 up towards Pilton, line of bikes in front, actually made you feel very proud to be there.
We're kind of adopting Martha Care as a charity, our main charity, I think now, along with Air Ambulance and the hospice, Children's Hospice.
Was it fun, this thing?
Yeah, I didn't actually ride it, but
Right.
it's nice to see them all riding down the road.
Okay.
It's lovely.
What were you doing then?
What we're doing, we come and see the band Blue Strange.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh, the Whoopin' Bassett. I've heard about the Whoopin' Bassett one.
I wanted to set up a charity that helped other families like us.
We're definitely trying to hit out for a big one next year. You know, a much bigger effort. You know, I mean, look, there's 17 acres of field there, so we can have them all out there. A mini festival.
Giving up my game of football, you know, to do this. There's an old tune called "Don't Fence Me In." Give me land, lots of land under starry skies above. Don't fence me in. Myself in the evening breeze, listening to the murmur of the cottonwood trees. Send me off forever, but I